Hello, my name is Daniel Yuck. Thank you for watching today. I appreciate you, your time, and your support. In today's video, I want to dive into an in-depth review with you and take a close-up look at this ointment from Inkeeze called Mutant Serum. I will be leaving my Amazon affiliate links and other affiliate links for you in the description below to the gear featured in this video so you can check it out on your end. Should you have any questions at all, I encourage you to drop a comment down below. Rest assured I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would appreciate the support over there as well. With that being said, let's get right on into this video. Are you wanting to develop your tattooing skill sets? Now you can practice and develop anytime, any place with an assortment of tattooing workbooks that I've created. With these assorted tattooing workbooks, we can practice our basic lining all the way to advanced lining. We can practice shading, shading placement, dot work, textures, and more. All we are going to need is a tattoo workbook of mine. We can use a pencil, pen. We can even use a tattoo machine with a ballpoint cartridge to develop our tattooing abilities further. That means that we don't need tattoo ink, we don't need napkins or petroleum jelly to get to practicing. Simply open one of my tattooing workbooks and get going. It really is that easy. You can get your hands on one of my developmental tattooing assorted workbooks by simply clicking the links in my description or in the pinned comment section below, or navigating on over to Amazon.com, typing in Daniel Yuck, and you'll see all of the assorted tattoo workbooks that I've created come up. If you have an Amazon account, be sure to follow my Amazon author page as well, as I would greatly appreciate your support. Should you have any questions at all, drop them in the comment section down below. I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's get right back into this video. Let's take a close-up look at the packaging, and then from there we can take a closer look at the ointment and then test out the performance. This is the top right here, Inkeeze. Now, from my older reviews, I don't remember the Inkeeze tops having this little engraving emblem there, which is really cool. That's a cool update. This is the Inkeeze Mutant Serum Ointment close-up. This is the front. Here we have the Mutant Serum Monkey there. And I'm in favor of the artwork. I love the artwork on this batch right here as well. Here are the ingredients. Feel free to pause at any point so that way you can thoroughly read this on your end. If this is anything like the other ointments from Inkeeze that I've tried, I'm definitely going to love this Mutant Serum Ointment right here. I am in favor of the artwork, and I do like the updates on top of the tops, how they engrave their emblems on there. That's an awesome update. So all in all, in terms of packaging, I'm loving the way that it looks. Let's go ahead and take off the plastic here so that way we can take a closer look at the ointment itself. Let's remove the top here so that way we can see the ointment up close. And I do believe that these do come sealed, if I'm correct. So mine did come sealed, as you can see right here, which is always a plus. Me personally, I would prefer to get my ointment sealed than not get any of my products sealed. That is just me, to each their own though. So you can see that we do have a nice seal going on right here. What I'm going to do with this white part is I'm just going to place it into the cap right here, as you see me doing. I'm just going to kind of leave it in there to kind of help cushion the seal there when I close the cap. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and open up the ointment, and then we can take a closer look at it. I'm going to go ahead and break this seal right here so that way I can take a closer look at the ointment with you all. And off the bat, when I broke the seal, I am hit with a wave of aroma that I am in favor of, so it does have a nice smell to it. The scent I am in favor of. This is the ointment right here close up. Allow me to remove the rest of the remaining seal right here. Now, in my opinion, I have never had any issues using any Inkeeze ointment, from the bubblegum pink all the way to the black ointment. I've tried the hemp ointment and many more. I've tried the purple ointment. I've tried a lot of Inkeeze ointments and I've never had any issues at all. This right here close up is the Mutant Serum Ointment. This right here is the Mutant Serum close up, and again, it does have a nice scent coming from it. And after my experience using it, I can say that I am also in favor of this ointment along with any other ointment that I've tried from Inkeeze, as I've mentioned. If you were on the market or you're needing to check out a lubricant for your tattooing process, I would highly recommend to check out Inkeeze, as they do have a fantastic line of different ointments that you can choose from from hemp ointment, purple ointment, bubblegum ointment. They have a black ointment. As you can see, here is the Mutant Serum Ointment. There is a variety available. They have a green ointment as well, so be sure to check them out. And again, my affiliate links will be for you in the description below. So here we are testing out the performance. Now, when I'm using ointment throughout my tattooing process, I tend to use small amounts, so you're not going to see saturated amounts of ointment here throughout this process. However, during this process right here, this is my first time ever testing the Mutant Serum, and I can say that my workflow went really smooth. I was able to trust the ointment. I didn't notice anything adverse, nor did the client have any adversities such as maybe like some sort of skin irritations or anything like this. Nothing adverse happened throughout my process. However, results can or may vary from person to person and artist to artist. One thing that I've noticed about Inkeeze ointments, and this goes for most of them, is when I place it onto my tattoo site, I notice it has like a sort of melting effect as opposed to a sort of clumping effect. So other ointments that I've tried, such as A&D or even Vaseline on fake skin, it has a sort of like clumpy feel to it, and it'll kind of like saturate with a layer of ointment over my site. However, when I use Inkeeze, it really doesn't do that. It kind of has like a melting effect to it where it kind of looks like it's melting away into the skin, which is something that I am in favor of. For me personally, I would rather have my ointment behave in the Inkeeze manner, so that way I experience less clogging along the way, so that way my ink flow stays consistent throughout my entire workflow. Another thing that I am in favor of with the Inkeeze Mutant Serum Ointment is that it comes in a giant 16-ounce jar, which is surely to last us quite a bit. Especially if we're going to be doing tattoos every day, this thing is going to get us through quite a few tattoos. From me to you, I would highly recommend checking out the Inkeeze Mutant Serum Ointment. I will leave my affiliate links for you in the description below, so you can go ahead and do so. All in all, I'm going to give the Mutant Serum Ointment from Inkeeze a 5 stars easily, and for multiple reasons. I'm in favor of the performance. I also love the scent, and I love the amount that we get for the cost. Those right there are the main reasons why I would go with the Inkeeze Mutant Serum over any other ointment, like versus Vaseline or A&D any day. Don't get me wrong, A&D and Vaseline are great for fake skin, but when it comes to human skin, I'm definitely going to always go for Inkeeze. Now, should you have any questions at all, I encourage you to drop a comment down below, and I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would appreciate the support over there as well. With that being said, I appreciate your time and I thank you for watching. You have a great day. Are you needing or wanting tattoo guidance? What about 4K high quality step-by-step follow-along tattoo sessions? Or maybe one-on-one tattoo support to get answers to your questions that are specifically tailored to your wants and needs as the artist? You can now become a Patreon where you will gain access to high quality 4K exclusive step-by-step follow-along tattoo sessions. I will be tattooing with you in a one-on-one step-by-step manner where I will be explaining what I am doing and why every step of the way. I will also be doing this in a high quality 4K format for your optimal viewing experience. On top of the one-on-one support and on top of the step-by-step tattoo session guidance, you will also gain access to exclusive tattoo stencils that you can download and place on your end to further develop your skill sets. I will leave a link for you in the description or in the pinned comment section below, or you can head on over to patreon.com/Daniel Yuck. When you become a Patreon, you will be getting one-on-one support where you can ask me as many questions as you'd like that are specifically tailored to your wants and needs as the artist. You will gain access to exclusive tattoo stencils that you can download and practice on your end. You'll also gain access to exclusive high quality 4K footage where I walk you through each and every tattoo session in a one-on-one step-by-step manner where I explain all the what's and whys along the way. Become a Patreon today. Thank you for your support in advance. I greatly appreciate you.